Once you understand selecting and deselecting, it allows for more powerful advanced navigation. What do I mean by advanced navigation? So for example, if you click on this point, now the piece of paper that you're drawing on revolves around this point. So if you rotate now, it will draw exactly always from this point. So now if you draw a line, as you see, it's going exactly through the point. This allows for, like I said, more advanced sculpting or drawing in 3D. So basically you can now draw a box around this initial red box by selecting all the corners and then drawing in 3D around the corners. It's a little bit tricky, but with a little bit of work you can make more powerful things happen that way. The tricky part is getting it exactly right and making it align exactly how you want it to. It requires some practice and some patience. In the future, I want to introduce more tools to make it possible to make this process much more streamlined. But this is how you can create more advanced objects in 3D.